Yes.
Okay, let's start. So the question which we were left, I hope that you understood now the step of multiplying with 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just writing the direct equation which we formed after the simplifying with 6. So I got, what I got is 3y squared minus 2y plus 12 equals 0. Okay, so I can simplify with the formula as well, and I can simplify. Can I simplify with the factors, with making the factors? Can you see?
Um, I don't think you can. Well, I guess no. I don't think you can. No.
Because you see, if you multiply, you know the multiples of 12 are 4, 3, 6, etc. But we don't get any number which we add or subtract, so we get 2. So obviously the left option is using the quadratic formula. Yeah. So can you use the formula? Can you solve yourself? I just want to check that you are familiar with the formula and you can solve yourself as well. So I should give you further question to solve for your homework. Can you try?
Yeah, but I was just saying. So, once you do get this formula,
Yeah.
isn't that the answer? Because that's what I've been thinking this whole time. Because you kind of because when you do this, you can. Don't you just keep that as a formula, or maybe use the factorizing or something?
Baby factor. See, I think you are getting confused with the previous answer which we got in by constructing the formula. The answer was like plus. It was -1 plus minus under root 2. It was a answer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we can further factorize it. But why we can't use it? Because we can't go with the decimal number. Okay,
Okay.
decimal, yeah, because the decimal one is not for the radical one. So we can further use this. We can take out the factors of this answer as well. But the thing is that if we still move ahead with this answer of the simplification, we're gonna get the answer in decimals. Okay, and whatever
Yeah.
the answer is coming in the decimal, we just stop there and we consider it as the answer. We can't go ahead,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So the answer, so what we are going to do is be using the formula of, and it doesn't necessary, it doesn't compulsory that the answer which we have conducted in the previous question, it is supposed to become the same answer in this question as well. Okay, it can happen that the answer should become in the real number. See, our priority is to make the answer in the real number. Do you remember? I told you yesterday as well that the answer should come in the real numbers. And if you see this answer, -1 plus minus under root 2, can you see any variable in this question, in this answer?
No.
You see only real number. And if you got real numbers in your answer, so that's enough for you. Okay?
Okay.
So your priority is to make the real number in answer. So let's start. A equals 3, B equals -2, and C equals 12. Now you can move ahead. Should I write the formula as well?
No.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Aisha. Do you have anything to ask?
So, hello.
Yes, yes, Aisha. Yes, Aisha. Hello, Aisha.
Yes, yes.
Do you have anything to ask? You wanted to ask something?
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this step is, because what everything I've written down so far, you would either factorize it, but you can't seem to factorize it here. So what do you do? Because
See, no, Aisha, there are only two options for you. The first method is factorizing. If you make the three terms, dividing them, breaking them down into two groups. Yeah, that was the first method, and you got the answer. You usually get the answer in the factors with the real number as well. And if you can't multiply, if you can't break them out, if you can't make the group, so simply you go for the formula. And once you get into the formula, you just put all the values in the formula and you get the answer.
yeah, so this is the formula, isn't it? Because it's 3y. It's
No,
3y.
no, that's not the formula. The formula is actually minus b plus
Oh,
minus. That's the formula. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's the formula.
okay.
Yeah. So you just simply put the all the values which you made previously for A, B, and C, and you're gonna calculate all the values, and you're gonna take out the answer simply. You're supposed to say 3 is your A. You're supposed to say that -2 is your B, and 12 is your C. So you just simply put the value. You plug in the values of your variables into the real numbers, and you just simply calculate them.
-2
You can use calculator as well.
minus b squared. I mean, wait, would you write 2y squared? Or would you just write 2 squared?
No. You don't write. Yeah, you because in the place of b square, are you asking about the b square?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to write 2 like this. 2 into 2 square. Astaghfirullah.
Okay.
Oops.
So
Are you solving it, Aisha? Yes.
yeah, divided by 2, 3, 3. Okay, so I'm on to the point. So I've done so I've written down all the values. So it's become -2 plus minus under root
Okay.
2
Wait. Let
squared.
me. -2 plus minus.
Yeah. Under
Then
root
under root.
2 squared.
Okay. 2 squared. Let me write. -2 plus minus under root 2 square into -4 into 3 and
Into
12.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm just writing down into 4, 3, and 12. Yeah, just like that, just like this.
Yeah, like that.
Now you have to multiply first this one. 4 threes are
12.
and 12 twelves are 144.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just keep remember that in place of these all numbers you have to write -144, and you simply know that 2 twos are 4 because I'm just breaking this square as well. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm
Yeah.
just writing in place of 2 times 2 is 4, and I'm writing down, which is if I multiply, because see the place of A is 3. So I'm just placing this 3 in the place of A. So I get 2 3 times is 6. Okay, I just directly done the step.
Okay.
Now, what you're going to do is you're gonna subtract 4 from 144. So you got
Yeah.
-2 plus minus -140 divided by 6.
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you tell me that -140 is a number? We can't take the square root of the negative number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So sometimes you can face this kind of question in your exam, in your class as well, and you can directly write, therefore, we don't have real solution for this quadratic equation. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can write the answer. Let me repeat. We can't take square root of negative number.
We can't. Yeah.
Therefore, we don't have
Therefore, we don't have. Yeah.
real solution for this quadratic equation.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just giving you two questions for your homework, and tomorrow we will be discussing some more questions. Okay. So just write those two questions. The question number one is 9x squared minus 64 equals 0. And the question number two is x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. These are the two questions for your homework. And inshallah, tomorrow I will have some other questions for you.
Oh. Just one quick question. This one has
This
two
one
expressions. How do you solve the one with two expressions again?
in the formula,
Yeah.
a square minus b square.
You have to do the a square minus b square one.
Exactly. Now don't get confused. Aisha, just let me clear you one thing. When you are unable to make the factors by breaking them down, when you are unable to make the factors by any, when you got a number, you can't multiply or you can't get any factor. So you simply go for the formula. But if you can see a simple perfect square, now see, I can see that 64 is a perfect square, isn't it? So
Yeah.
why should I go into the trouble of making the formula and then plugging the values in the formula and etc. etc. I should go directly with the a square minus b square formula, and I just take out the simple answer in the real numbers. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just try these out. Okay? Just try these out. If you did not do this, or if you are not available to do unable to do this, we can discuss them further. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So inshallah, see you tomorrow.
Allah
Okay.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.